Welcome to this demo on structures in C#. In this video, we'll dive into what structures are, how they differ from classes, and when to use them in real-world programming scenarios. We'll explore how to define and use a structure, highlight key features like value-type behavior, and show how structures help organize and manage related data efficiently. This session is all about giving a clear and practical understanding of structures in C#, so let's get started. A structure in C# is a value type used to group related variables under one name. Think of it as a lightweight alternative to a class, ideal for representing simple data objects like coordinates, colors, or points in a 2D space. Unlike classes, structures store data directly rather than through a reference. Watch the video on how the structures work in C#. In this tutorial, we learned that structures in C# are value types used to hold small groups of related variables. We covered how to declare and use them, how they differ from classes in terms of memory and behavior, and when to prefer structures for performance and simplicity. Through code examples, we saw how structures are ideal for lightweight data models that don't require inheritance or complex behavior. Thanks for watching this video on structures in C#. We hope the explanation and examples helped you understand when and how to use structures effectively. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll continue breaking down core C# concepts to strengthen your coding skills. See you next time.